All right, so here we go. Little 1997 Toyota CeliCa GT 2.2 limited edition. This is where I'm at so far, folks. All right, pulled everything. All right, pulled everything. Also gonna end up pulling the power steering pump and rebuilding that as well. But all these little mini rebuilds, I'll show you in different videos. Today, we're concentrating right about here-ish. Look at this cute little Toyota. I love this car. Absolutely filthy, which I'm gonna clean. You're not even gonna recognize her when I'm done. That's my little babes.